So
Yes.
I'm gonna make some leftover turkey, ground turkey tonight for dinner.
Okay.
And for some carbs, I'm making amaranth. And I feel like it's not a very popular side dish, like quinoa,
Yeah.
but it is so good. And I made it the other night with some leftover ground turkey that we had, and it just mixed in so well. It's kind of like a cream of wheat texture, and it's really mild flavor, so you can go like savory or sweet with it. It's a complete protein, which is awesome. And it's gluten-free. And it's super easy to make. I'm just boiling 3 cups of water, and I'm gonna put a cup of amaranth in, stir it up, let it cook for like 20-25 minutes on a simmer, and there you go. You just mix it into anything. I had some this morning with cut up bananas in it, and I put some honey and cinnamon on it. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Like brought me back to cream of wheat days, but better.
Okay.
So 3 cups of boiling water, 1 cup of amaranth. You know what, I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of salt in there. Cover. My middle finger.
Well, my mom is home, so let's just wait till she gets in. Yeah.
I'll make mine, because that'll be pretty. I'll put some leftover turkey.
Leftover turkey.
Yeah. It's kind of like this cream of wheaty consistency.
That's good stuff, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna plop some right on here. Tastes really good mixed in. Okay, so I'm gonna throw a little cheese on top here so it melts. I have some leftover red curry squash. Put that in there. Okay. Throw some salad in there. Throw some avocado in there. And voila.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, babe.